What's up, y'all? So welcome back to another vlog. Today we are going to get our wax of the month. Yeah, so your girl's about to go get her wax of the month. You know what time of the year. And then I have a few things. Oh, I almost forgot my ring. I have a few things to do today. I want to run to the nail salon and get my toes repolished before I do all these things. I have 2 events to go to today. One is a grand opening for a storefront and the other one is a birthday party. So I just want to make sure I get myself together prior to being seen in public. These toes and these nails, look at my nails. Horrible. Look at my toes. Horrible. So that's the plan, to get myself together. Very short amount of time. Hopefully I can get everything done. If not, whatever, it's not the end of the world. I know how to accommodate. My nails I probably won't get done today though, because my fingernails, because my girl Sugar Nails just came back to town for being on vacation. So most likely I'm just gonna wait until I can book with her. So yeah, we are off. I'm super late. Unfortunate time of the month. We are on the way. 23 minutes. So I'm about how many minutes late? 4. Do it. I will see y'all when I get there, so y'all can say hi, or I can say whatever. See y'all when I get there, alright? So I'm not horrible.
Nothing new.
I know. It's just awkward. It's like,
I could put your head all the way back. You might feel a little bit more sensitive if you're on your.
I probably won't, because it's not even like really on, like on.
Yeah.
I had like a little like tug in my stomach yesterday night. And I was like eating, but I'm like, okay, it's probably. When I was younger, I thought after a woman gets pregnant, like the first time, she never had a period again. I was so. I remember when somebody told me that does not happen. I'm like, what? So I still have to deal with this?
Yeah.
Yeah, I remember thinking that was the case. I'm like, I can't wait till I get pregnant. Yeah, no.
No. You still want to get your period?
Like one and done, right?
Is that not that bad?
No, it hurts. Whatever.
I was like, oh, it's not that bad? Okay. You got this.
How many more? Okay. Almost done, right?
Almost done.
Oh, thank you, Lord. Okay.
We almost there.
The worst part is done. Right?
Yeah, I mean, no.
Yes,
You still got about like 3 strips left.
Yeah, but the biggest part is
Yeah.
gone.
Oh yeah.
I can feel that it's gone.
Yeah.
So don't tell me no.
It's basically all gone. Which one hurts the most for you, the labia or like right here?
All of it. It's always the very first strip, to be honest.
Yeah. Alright, take a deep breath in. There we go.
Woo! My skin lifted on that one.
This is like.
Don't do it, y'all. I'm just kidding.
This is like getting a workout. You got that one last set. Deep breath in.
I'm out the door. That's so embarrassing.
I think it's embarrassing for you guys.
It is. I feel like a fresh wax. Say hi, girl.
Hi.
Tell them where to find you.
Boynton Beach Boulevard.
Boynton Beach, West Palm. Everybody who's in West Palm, hit her up, okay?
Waxing with Mo.
Waxing with Mo. Y'all already know.
On Google too.
Google, Instagram. It's gonna be on the screen. Y'all already know how it goes. I feel brand new. Literally.
How brand new do you
Girl, I'm ready for you.
You need to put that as like the beginning of the clip.
Yeah.
At the beginning of the
Let me stop. Let me stop. Oh, thank you so much, dear.
Hold on, we didn't pre-book.
Oh, let me sit down. We got a pre-book, okay?
So March 26th. That is a Saturday.
Spring break is coming. Let me see. I think I'll be back. I think we come back on the 21st.
But it's a Saturday. You don't work on Saturdays.
We did 12. Let's do one.
One? Okay.
Girl, I got out of the bed like 11. I'm like, oh shoot.
And we're gonna do just the Brazilian or Brazilian and stomach strip.
No, I always need my stomach. My stomach be growing, girl.
So stomach strip.
You think my legs will be back by now? By then?
You
Yeah.
already have another appointment already.
For my.
For your legs, did we? I think we did.
Let's do it all on the same day.
Okay, so
That way.
I have you.
Let's.
You can only get it back on schedule
If I do the 26th
yeah.
for everything,
Yeah.
let's do that. 26 everything. I'm putting my calendar for real because I always think I did and I didn't. I'm so stupid.
So March 26th, 1 p.m. You're gonna do Brazilian, underarm, lower leg, and stomach strip.
Yep, I have it in. I always write it in my calendar and I never save it. I'm so dumb.
Okay.
Next appointment book.
Okay.
Why do I always wear this dress when I'm here? I just realized that.
I know, that's literally.
You know what? It's one of those errand dresses. Like when I'm doing
it
too
looks
much.
comfortable though.
Look at that. What the heck?
What?
This reel is going viral. Oh my god.
Let me see which one is that. I feel like Instagram timeline
The
is
stupid
so
this
weird.
thing. Like
Why
what?
did I not see that one?
It's literally nothing. I'm just changing stuff around the house. Some people don't know. This is so easy. I want everybody to do it. Nothing special.
Just like home cook, but people like it because it's satisfying.
Yeah, that's what people are. And that, you know, I get it. That's why I left this sound on of like the actual what's actually happening because people are weird like that.
I know you did a laundry day, but did you do like a cleaning day?
I do. I have it in my phone. I just haven't recorded it because there was a lot of cleaning that I did. A big house. Me. All right, now I'm gonna go back down home way, try to run and get my polish change really quick. I'm probably not gonna have time for a full pedicure, so we're just gonna do a polish change and then all right y'all, so I found just basically the nearest salon. So this one is called Sugar Coat Nail Lab. Never been here. I'm just getting my toes polish change. I don't really have time for a full pedicure, so hopefully they do a pretty decent job. So we're gonna see. Well, that was a fail. They are completely booked up until 2 o'clock and it's 1:15. I'm not gonna wait 45 minutes just to get some polish on my toes, so I'm just gonna go to the next one. This one is called Dila Nails, so hopefully it's 2 minutes away. Makeup looks pretty good. Why is my car doing this again? New car coming soon, probably by the end of the year after we buy a house. New car, because this one has been giving me quite some issues lately, and some of the issues are unbearable. Like my car just not starting in the middle of nowhere, which is not very safe, because say if it's an emergency, I need to get somewhere, my car won't start, and it's not telling me why it won't start. It just won't. And I just got a new engine, so like what? I don't know, it's just very frustrating. So hopefully I'll be getting a BMW truck next. Never know, speak it. No, I want my Audi so that I can raise my children in, and then we'll get some luxury cars after that. All right, we'll see. I'm 3 minutes away from this place, so. It's okay.
It's okay like that?
Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Thank you.
You have a great rest of your day.
You too, thank you. Alright, well, that is done. That part of my day is now done. I'm gonna go ahead back home so I can get ready to go to this event. My girl Nasia, let me text her. Hey girl, I'm on my way back home now if you want to go ahead and head this way. Alright, so I feel really happy, really content. I'm just so grateful to God right now. I don't know, I just feel such like a peace that just came over me. Not over me, but just I just feel so much peace, joy, and love right now. Out of nowhere. So I'm very, very grateful. My life has been a roller coaster these past couple years, but God has been good to me and my family, and I'm just forever grateful to him for that. So yeah, just thought I should just give him his credit and his quick little praise. So all right, I'm going back home right now, and then I'll see y'all in due time. I'll probably vlog a little bit at the event, I'm not sure, but I probably will, so I can give her a shout out. Yeah. All right, so I'm finally back home. I'm about to get dressed for this event. I'm not really sure what I want to wear. It's just a grand, it's a grand opening. I really am considering upgrading my vlog camera because sometimes it takes way too long to focus in. But anywho, I'm trying to figure out what to wear. It is a grand opening, so I don't need to be that dressy. And I'm gonna be getting dressed up later tonight. Actually, let me get that outfit together as well, because I'm gonna be go. So I think I know what I'm wearing tonight. It's a grown and sexy event. So I'm gonna wear this top and these pants, and then just some heels. Let me try it on for you. So here's the outfit. You guys have seen me try these on individually before. This top is actually quite old. I never wore it yet. It's from Pretty Little Thing, I believe. All right, so this is the outfit. I'm gonna wear this tonight to this little grown and sexy event. So this is the top. I'm gonna take off my straps, obviously. I wish I got this in a smaller size, just like a suck me in. But yeah, it's cute. The back is like this, and you go around it to put this arm in. And these pants, these little faux leathery type pants, are from Shein. Real nice and cute. It's giving body yada yada. Sure what bag and heels I'm gonna wear. Let me go try to figure that out now, so that again I could just be in and out. I just returned those gold heels from Shein because they're too big, so I wanted to wear gold with this. Maybe throw gold in there, we'll see. But yeah, I'm gonna be wearing this tonight. This is gonna be the outfit for tonight. Super cute. Suck it all in. I think I'm just gonna wear all black, or I can throw on this this bag, because I haven't worn that yet. Black and nude. Well, this is a vibe. Yep, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be this black and nude outfit here. Yeah, it's giving very much grown. Once I take these straps off, it'll look even better. What y'all think? Yay or nay? Lay this out on the bed. So it's ready for me tonight. All right, now let me go ahead and put something on quick because I believe Anasia is here.
Congratulations! You look so cute!
For our scrub store, this was a long in the making. Rashama's gonna give you guys a synopsis of the history of when it all started.
Oh, okay. I don't know, this is my first one. And many more to come. Yes. All right, y'all. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Thank you.